Today, I'm turning a Big Mac into my Jiro-style ramen. Every ingredient matters. But did it actually work? Hey, I'm Nojinora, ramen maniac from Japan. Today's American icon, the Big Mac. Before I transform it, I have to understand it. Now, let's bring it together with my Jiro-style ramen. There's only one question left. Will it actually work? More than anything, I love ramen. But honestly, I love burgers too. My family and I go to McDonald's almost every week.
So delicious.
Every layer has a purpose. Now, let's take it apart. The biggest challenge is the bun. Soft bread doesn't really belong in ramen. So instead of leaving it as it is, I turn it into crispy little croutons. That way, every part of the Big Mac earns its place in the bowl. A Big Mac has beef. My ramen still needs a hearty bite, the pork chashu. My ramen isn't complete without thick slices of chashu. No Jiro-style ramen without garlic. And trust me, I'm not holding back. This is pure flavor. It's going to coat every bite.
Psycho! Awesome.
Jiro-style ramen isn't shy. Neither are the veggies. Good ramen can't be rushed. Every step brings this bowl closer to life. It's almost time. Let's get everything ready. Every great bowl has a foundation. This is mine. Now it's all coming together. The aroma is already incredible. We're getting close. There's no turning back now. Every second matters. Let's bring this bowl to life. Everything has led to this moment. Let's build the perfect bowl. One final touch. The transformation is complete.
Iただきます。Pork, チャーシュー。Buns and soup. Soup.
The answer is yes. It still tastes like a Big Mac. The beef, pickles, onions, and even the crispy bun remind me of the original. But somehow, it also feels like a real bowl of Jiro-style ramen. It doesn't choose one. It celebrates both. This is why I love making these videos. I'm not trying to replace American food. I'm trying to discover what happens when two food cultures meet. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. But every challenge teaches me something new.
Bean sprouts and noodles.
And this one was one I'll never forget.
Crispy, crunchy.
If you'd like to try it yourself, here are all the ingredients I used. See you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this ridiculous bowl, subscribe and join the ramen madness. I'll see you in the next bowl. Nojino no life. Thank you.